So right now we're gonna learn one of the most basic moves, but it is a very dope move and you can add it to anything. And it's called the shuffle. So what it basically is this. So you can add the shuffle to anything, and the best part about it is that, you know, like if you're walking while doing a move, you kind of change, you know, there's an upward and downward movement of the legs and there's a bit of a change in the level, which kind of gets a little in the way of the move sometimes. So the shuffle, you're not changing any level in the body. You're just maintaining the same level and you're moving. And it looks pretty dope as well. So the shuffle is of two types. One is where you are moving the feet in the opposite direction. Like, you know, the right foot moves towards the left and the left moves towards the right. Yeah. So this goes like this. You know? So, but both of them are moving in and out. Both of them are moving in and out at the same time, although they're moving in the opposite direction. And the other one is that where they're moving in the same direction, but they are moving in and out opposite, like this. So these are the two types of shuffle, and let me break down the basics of the shuffle. On one foot, you're keeping the weight on the heel, and the other foot, you're keeping the weight on the toe. So, this. Like when you're moving, this is the movement. So here you're keeping the weight on the toe and the right foot, and on the heel on the left foot. You're moving like this. So it's simply putting your weight on the heels and moving the toe. You can also raise your foot a bit. You can slide it, or you can raise it and tap it. So there's not much of a difference. You know what we're doing is that we move here. When we want to move the feet in the direction we're moving, we place our weight on the toes, and then we are kind of raising the heel and moving in this direction. Although you don't need to raise it, you can just put the weight on the toe and just slide it. And then you put the weight on the heels and slide the toe. Then the weight on the toe and slide the heels. And when you are moving the feet in the opposite direction, you are there are two kinds of shuffle. One is in which the feet move in the opposite direction. Another one is in which the feet move in the same direction. So when the feet are moving in the same direction, we are keeping the weight on the toe okay, and then on the heel, together. And when they are moving in the opposite direction, we are keeping the weight on the heel on one foot and on the toe on the other foot, and then this is the space. So this is the entire breakdown of the shuffle, and in the next video we're going to discuss the side glide, which is a build up on the shuffle, and it looks like this. So we're going to discuss this move next. If you have any doubts about the shuffle, let me know, and I would be glad to help you out with the doubts. See you in the next video. Thank you.